welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Dyme LaShawn, and we're back at it again. I am going to go ahead and do an unboxing video for you guys today and show you guys the Gucci slides. So these are the specific slides here. I was on the fence about these slides. Like, I wasn't really sure if I wanted them or not. I wasn't really sure if they were for me. I'm on the taller side, so I was like, a platform, I don't know. But they were so cute that when they came back to the Neiman's in my area, I just went ahead and picked them up. I really like neutral tones and like things that you can wear with a bunch of stuff. And in Jamaica, my Versace slides were eaten by the sea. Yeah, a wave came and ate them. So I went ahead and replaced those with these. So let's go ahead and get into what they look like. And let's get to the unboxing part. So I like these a lot, actually. I do like the red. I think that's really cool. I don't have very many burgundy things, but I happen to think that burgundy and like ox blood and different things like that go with a lot of stuff that I personally wear. That's my personal style. I wear a lot of tans, browns, black. You know, I do a pop of red or maybe a pop of pink every now and then. I'm not really too colorful of a dresser, so these fit perfect in my arsenal. And they're just so cute. I really like monogram things, and they fit. I got a, and when I say fit, I don't mean actually fit. I mean, they do fit, but you know what I mean. I got a 40 in these. And I like them. I have pretty narrow feet, so they are a little spacious at the top, and I'll show you guys a visual of what they look like on my feet. But it wasn't too bad where I was kind of like, oh no, I'm not getting them. So this is perfect, especially when like I want to wear them like as a flight shoe. Sometimes I like put like a sock on or something. I think I'm going to get some Gucci socks to go with these. But yeah, this is the other one. Completely identical, obviously. I mean, it better be, because if it ain't identical, baby, it's gonna be hell to pay. As long as you give me two different shoes. But that has happened to me before, so it's a bunch of tissue paper in here. And duster bags that were folded up in there. So yeah, I believe I paid $6.30 total for these. They were $5.95 at my local Neiman's in the Virginia area, DMV area, because I got these from the Neiman's in Tyson's Corner. But with taxes and all the rest of that stuff, they came up to $6.30 and I think some change. Yeah, they came out, I want to say maybe a year ago, and I missed the boat, like I said in the beginning of this video. But I decided that I needed these and I wanted these, so I copped these for myself. And they're really cute. It was between these and the rubber sole slides, but I think these are more of a classic sort of piece for me. And I'm not mad, you know, like I'm not mad. Let me show you guys what they look like on. So as you can see, they are a platform shoe. Super cute with the red at the top. They fit perfectly. And this is the space. In my opinion, I think that they're a staple piece. I really like them. Obviously, they're a splurge. I know that they're probably somewhere for the dupe. You probably can find them somewhere if you guys like the design but don't really want to pay the price. And honestly, I don't have no mixed feelings about that. Child, do what you gotta do. But I went ahead and splurged on them because I just feel like I deserve. And after the C ate my Versace slide, I really needed to replace them. I also purchased some Chanel slides over my birthday week and forgot to do an unboxing. But I hope this will redeem the forgetfulness in me and give you guys your unboxing fix. I hope to show you guys new content, and I also got a drone, so maybe I might unbox that for you guys next. We'll see, as long as the baby is sleeping. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys would like to see any more unboxing videos from me, and I look forward to seeing you guys soon. Bye.